Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove a background from any photos that you want on CapCut PC. Select your photo or video. I'm just using a photo for this one. Just go to remove background and select auto removal, and that is it. It just basically removes the background. You can even add in your own background here like so. And that is it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Goodbye.